Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can edit or change the S Pen Air Command shortcut menu on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now there are two different ways how you can do this. If you already have the S Pen Air Command menu turned on, then you can tap on it. So you can tap with an S Pen, you can open up the menu, and then from here you can rearrange the shortcuts by simply touch and hold on one of the shortcuts here, and then drag it up or down to rearrange them into a new position. You can also tap on the add button to add in a new shortcut. So here, if you normally use magnify, then you can add it into the shortcut menu. And then tap on the back key. So now we have add in the magnifier feature. If you want to remove the shortcut from the menu, you can simply touch and hold on that icon and then drag it to the top and place it in the remove button at the top here to remove the shortcut. You can also tap on the settings icon from the menu here, or you can swipe down at the top to open up quick settings and then tap on the settings icon. Now we go down and tap on advanced features and then tap on S Pen. In here, tap on Air Command, and then we go down and tap on shortcuts. And from here, you can remove icons or shortcuts that you don't want to use, or you can simply tap on it to add it to the menu. From the menu in here, you can rearrange them by simply touch and hold on the icon and then drag it up or down to rearrange them into a new position. And that's it. Those are the two different ways how you can edit or change or rearrange your S Pen Air Command shortcuts menu on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.